खूबसूरत वतन है मेरा इंडिया, ये एक खिलता चमन है मेरा इंडिया। खूबसूरत वतन है मेरा इंडिया, ये एक खिलता चमन है मेरा इंडिया। फूल कलियों से हरदम महकता है, फूल कलियों से हरदम महकता है ये। खुशनुमाए वतन है मेरा इंडिया, एक खिलता चमन है मेरा इंडिया। खुशनुमाए वतन है मेरा इंडिया, एक खिलता चमन है मेरा इंडिया। तो आइए इसी के साथ, इन्हीं देशभक्ति गीत के पंक्तियों के साथ हम फिर एक बार उसी विषय में, इसी टॉपिक में हम प्रवेश करते हैं, संज्ञा में। संज्ञा अगेन with some tricky methods. So and sanya, we already discussed it. Sanya divided into how many parts? What are the definition, परिभाषा of sanya? किसी व्यक्ति, वस्तु या स्थान और भावों के नामों को बताने वाले शब्दों को संज्ञा कहते हैं। Those words are called naming words, noun, sanya, which are tells us about a person name or place or things name. That is called संज्ञा, उसे संज्ञा कहते हैं। और शॉर्ट डेफिनेशन, एक छोटी सी परिभाषा है, नामों को बताने वाले शब्दों को संज्ञा कहते हैं। नेमिंग वर्ड्स आर कॉल्ड संज्ञा। और संज्ञा के कितने उपभेद हैं, मुख्यतः कितने? वी ऑलरेडी डिस्कस्ड द मेन पार्ट्स ऑफ संज्ञा आर 3: व्यक्तिवाचक संज्ञा, जातिवाचक संज्ञा, भाववाचक संज्ञा, प्रॉपर नाउन एंड कॉमन नाउन एंड एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन। Abstract noun. These three are some main parts of sanya. And what about remaining these two, samuhvachak sanya and dravyavachak sanya? These two are we taken from the English grammar, अंग्रेजी व्याकरण से हम इन दोनों को लिए हैं। And व्यक्तिवाचक संज्ञा, व्यक्ति means here actually एक विशेष व्यक्ति या वस्तु या स्थान के नामों को बताने वाले शब्दों को व्यक्तिवाचक संज्ञा कहते हैं। So those are called व्यक्तिवाचक संज्ञा proper noun, which are tells us about a particular person's name or place or thing's name. Those words are called व्यक्तिवाचक संज्ञा proper noun. Actually व्यक्तिवाचक संज्ञा शब्द always एक वचन means these are actually the proper noun words. व्यक्तिवाचक संज्ञा शब्द, those all words being always एक वचन means masculine gender, sorry, एक वचन singular, always in singular. Which words? व्यक्तिवाचक संज्ञा proper noun words. व्यक्तिवाचक संज्ञा शब्द हमेशा एक वचन के अंतर्गत प्रयुक्त होते हैं, एक वचन में प्रयुक्त होते हैं। Okay, we use these all words anytime in only एक वचन singular. Next, जाति means species of जाति. So जातिवाचक संज्ञा, वाचक means tells about संज्ञा. Those which words are tells us about a complete species, जाति, those naming words are called जातिवाचक संज्ञा common noun. So ఇది ఎలా ఉందంటే ये शब्द जो है एक वचन और बहुवचन के दोनों में भी प्रयुक्त होते हैं, एक वचन और बहुवचन में भी प्रयुक्त होते हैं। We can see the part of जातिवाचक संज्ञा शब्द, those words in एक वचन and also बहुवचन, in singular and also plural. एक वचन singular and बहुवचन plural. So व्यक्तिवाचक संज्ञा, for example Ravi, a proper person's name, a particular person name. Next actually a person name, first one come to when the word Ravi gives us a particular person's name, then the word belongs to Vyaktivachak Sanya. Sometimes like these words also belongs to Jativachak Sanya, common noun. And which situation I will explain after complete this. So first of all, Ravi, up to here, that is a proper person's name. Yeah, that is a particular person's name. That's why the word Ravi belongs to Vyaktivachak Sanya, proper noun. And Kolkata, Mumbai, whatever it may be. The word also belongs to Vyaktivachak Sanya, proper noun. That particular city's name. And also a thing. For example, अंग्रेजी अंग्रेजी शब्दकोश और अंग्रेजी अंग्रेजी शब्दकोश होगा पाठ्य पुस्तक अंग्रेजी पाठ्य पुस्तक इंग्लिश टेक्स्ट बुक which text book pustak means jativaचक संज्ञा why because we do not discuss about the book from only in the word pustak when we will mention अंग्रेजी पाठ्य पुस्तक then the word belongs to व्यक्तिवाचक संज्ञा proper noun understand next जातिवाचक संज्ञा common noun like this. These words I believe we can see these words in ekvachan and also bahuvachan, in singular and also plural, in both so jati common, so common shabd common words. khas naam means particular names. khas naam means particular names or belongs to vyaktivachak sanya, proper noun. Or सामान्य नाम means common names or those that belongs to जातिवाचक संज्ञा, common noun. And भाववाचक संज्ञा, these words are we can see mostly in ekvachan, in singular. We can now let me tell. Bhav means actually feelings. Bhav means feeling or feelings, whatever it may be. Singular and plural same word, bhav. Why? Because that is masculine gender word. We already discussed about that yesterday in our previous class. So bhav means feeling or feelings. So bhavvachak sanya. These words are mostly we can see in ekvachan, in singular. Bhav means feelings. Bhav means feelings which we can't see and we can't show, which only we can express. Those are called feelings. Those are called bhav. Bhav. That is called bhavvachak sanya. Bhavvachak sanya. Understand? Next, so bhav mostly in ekvachan. For example, prem means love, krodh angry, हवा प्रेम क्रोध हवा गुस्सा दर्द आदि etc. These all words are belongs to bhavvachak sanya. Why? Because these all are feelings. Why? Because we can't show these words. We can't show and we can't, and also we can't see and we can't, and also we can't show these words. That's why these are called feelings. That's why these words are belongs to bhavvachak sanya, abstract noun. Abstract noun. Next, samuh. Samuh means already discussed. Group. Samuh means group. So those words are called samuhvachak sanya. Samuhvachak sanya, collective noun, which are tells us about a complete group. So ये शब्द भी प्रायः एक वचन में ही प्रयुक्त होते हैं. These words also we can see in only एक वचन singular. These also singular. Understand? Which are group. Why? Because when we'll be going to write the word samuhvachak sanya, actually the word samuhvachak sanya shabd, actually those are tells us about a group, not the group members. Individual names not are there. Individual names won't be there in the part of samuhvachak sanya. Which are there in the group? Only group name. It will mention the only group name, only singular. singular, एक वचन, understand? For example, kaksha, in the word, if you will see the word, a group of students are there in the room, in the classroom, but the word samuhvachak sanya, the part of sanya, samuhvachak sanya, it won't be tell us the individual names, student names here. It won't be tell us the individual names of the students, but only the part of sanya, samuhvachak sanya, it will tells us only group name, kaksha, that's all, classroom, understand? And that the same way, bheed means crowd. If you will see anywhere, occasion or accident, whatever it may be, that is called bheed. Bheed means crowd. The part of sanya is the collective noun, samuhvachak sanya, won't tells us the who are there in the crowd. అది మనకి ఏం చేస్తుందంటే మొత్తం కంప్లీట్ గా ఒక గ్రూప్ నేమ్ చెప్తుంది, భీడ్, దట్స్ ఆల్, క్రౌడ్. Then we can understand so many members are there, crowd means, that's all. So actually that sanya, the part of sanya, samuhvachak sanya, collective noun, gives us only one word, bheed, like that. So prayah means in generally, those are also we can see in ekvachan, singular. समूह का नाम, समूह के नाम को बताने वाले शब्दों को समूहवाचक संज्ञा शब्द कहते हैं. एंड द्रव्यवाचक संज्ञा, द्रव्यवाचक संज्ञा, actually what happened in the part of sanya, in the part of noun sanya, द्रव्यवाचक संज्ञा, actually dravya means mainly liquids and also materials will be there in the part of sanya, द्रव्यवाचक संज्ञा. సో చూడండి ఇక్కడ ట్రిక్ లో, ఇవన్నీ ట్రిక్స్ లో, ఇక్కడ షార్ట్ కట్ లో మనం ఏమి ఇచ్చాము, ఇక్కడ तोला नापा जा सकता है. इसमें जो शब्द होते हैं, द्रव्यवाचक संज्ञा के अंतर्गत जो शब्द आते हैं, इन्हें तोला जा सकता है और नापा जा सकता है, गिना नहीं जा सकता. We can't calculate, we can't count the words which are given in द्रव्यवाचक संज्ञा. జస్ట్ మెజర్మెంట్ అంటే తోలనా, మాపన, అంటే మనం దీన్ని ఏం చేయగలం అంటే మనం కౌంట్ చేయలేము, 1 2 3 మనం కౌంట్ చేయలేము అనమాట. అంటే 1 kgs 1 లీటర్, ఈ విధంగా మనము మెజర్మెంట్ లోనే మనం దీన్ని చూడగలం, కానీ మనము క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయలేము అనమాట. గినా నహీ జా సక్తా, వి కాంట్ క్యాలిక్యులేట్, మనం కౌంట్ చేయలేము, 1 2 3 అలా కౌంట్ చేయలేము అనమాట. ఎప్పుడైతే దీన్ని కౌంట్ చేసే సిచ్యువేషన్ వస్తుందో, దెన్ దీస్ వర్డ్స్ belongs to జాతివాచక సంజ్ఞ, కామన్ నౌన్. ఐ విల్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ దట్ వన్ ఆల్సో లేటర్. సో ముఖ్యంగా మనం ఇక్కడ గుర్తించుకోవాల్సింది ఏంటంటే, ద్రవ్యవాచక సంజ్ఞ తోలా జా సక్తా హై, నాపా జా సక్తా హై, మనము దాన్ని కొలవగలం అనమాట. దేన్నైతే మనం కొలవగలమో, దేన్నైతే మనము గ్రామ్స్ లో కేజెస్ లో చూడగలమో, దట్ ఈస్ బిలాంగ్స్ టు మెటీరియల్ నౌన్, ద్రవ్యవాచక సంజ్ఞ. బట్ వీ కాంట్ కౌంట్ దోస్ materials which are belongs to द्रव्यवाचक संज्ञा, material noun. Understand? बस लिखिए, व्यक्तिवाचक संज्ञा के अंतर्गत खास नाम means particular names. Particular name, it will we see the particular names, those are belongs to व्यक्तिवाचक संज्ञा. When we will see the सामान्य means common, सामान्य आदमी, common man. So samani means a common names. If we see the common names, those are belongs to जातिवाचक संज्ञा, common noun. Or bhav and gun. Bhav means feelings and gun means qualities. These everything belongs to bhavavachak संज्ञा, abstract noun. Samuh, again samuh means group. Those words are called samuhvachak संज्ञा, collective noun, which are tells us about a proper group, a complete group. And द्रव्यवाचक संज्ञा means material noun. Padarth means materials. Padarth means material. Material means everything is material, which we show, which we can see, which we can touch. These all are materials. But ఇందులో ఏం చూస్తామంటే, మనము ఏవైతే మనం ఓన్లీ కొలవాలి, మనం కొలతల ద్వారా మనము మెజర్మెంట్ ద్వారా మనకి కనిపించే వర్డ్స్ అన్ని కూడా ద్రవ్యవాచక సంజ్ఞ, విచ్ వి కాంట్ కౌంట్. మనం దేన్నైతే వాటిని మనం కౌంట్ చేయలేము అనమాట. ఓన్లీ మెజర్, విత్ ద హెల్ప్ ఆఫ్ మెజర్మెంట్ వీ కెన్ అండర్స్టాండ్ ద్రవ్యవాచక సంజ్ఞ వర్డ్స్. Understand? Dravyavachak Sanya means Dravyavachak Sanya, Padarth. Padarth here materials. Materials. Understand? Sona, Chandi, Sona. Chandi, Sona means gold. And Chandi, silver, Doodh, milk, Pani, water, petrol, diesel, whatever these all are belongs to Dravyavachak Sanya. Liquids and also materials are belongs to Dravyavachak Sanya material now. Once everybody look at the board. If you have any doubts, now comment section box is there. So comment your doubts. Once everybody look at the board. So these main parts, Vyaktivachak Sanya, Jativachak Sanya, and Bhavavachak Sanya. I forget to explain. Vyaktivachak Sanya, sometimes Vyaktivachak Sanya words belongs to Jativachak Sanya. Jativachak Sanya words change into take the place of Vyaktivachak Sanya. కొన్ని సందర్భాల్లో వ్యక్తివాచక సంజ్ఞ వర్డ్స్ ఏమవుతాయంటే జాతివాచక సంజ్ఞలకు వచ్చేస్తాయి. జాతివాచక సంజ్ఞలో ఉన్న వర్డ్స్ వ్యక్తివాచక సంజ్ఞలో వచ్చి రావడం జరుగుతుంది. అండర్స్టాండ్? మన దాని గురించి ఇప్పుడు నెక్స్ట్ పార్ట్ కూడా చెప్తాను. ఇప్పుడు నేను అందులో చూద్దాం. వ్యక్తివాచక సంజ్ఞ వర్డ్స్ ఎందులో వచ్చేస్తాయి? జాతివాచక సంజ్ఞ. సమ్ టైమ్స్ జాతివాచక సంజ్ఞ వర్డ్స్ ఆటోమేటికల్లీ బికమ్ యాజ్ అ వ్యక్తివాచక సంజ్ఞ. హౌ ఇట్ ఇస్ పాసిబుల్? I will explain. And sometimes Jativachak Sanya words with the help of with a little bit change, those will become as a Samuhavachak Sanya collective noun. Jativachak Sanya words sometimes belong to become as Samuhavachak Sanya collective noun. Sometimes collective noun words Samuhavachak Sanya shabd belongs to Jativachak Sanya common noun. Common noun. And also sometimes Bhavavachak Sanya shabd will be changed. Sometimes Dravyavachak Sanya. Dravyavachak Sanya shabd sometimes belongs to Jativachak Sanya. Jativachak Sanya. Sometimes Dravyavachak Sanya shabd belongs to goes to in Jativachak Sanya, common noun, the part of common noun. Understand? Sometimes Samuhavachak Sanya word belongs to Jativachak Sanya. Like this, some suffixes will be there and some differences will be there. I will explain after complete this topic in next topic. Understand? Up to here I hope you understand. Next we are going to discuss how Vyaktivachak Sanya words belongs to Jativachak Sanya, Jativachak Sanya belongs to Vyaktivachak Sanya, and sometimes Jativachak Sanya belongs to Samuhavachak Sanya, sometimes Dravyavachak Sanya belongs to Jativachak Sanya. These all some are there, some difficult topics, some I will explain you in a tricky way. Okay? Thank you.